Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Capricorn. Magandang araw. Welcome back to my channel. And sa mga bago sa channel na ito, ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Nandito ako para bigyan kayo ng inyong Tagalog love reading. And for today, I'll do a weekly reading for February 9 to 15. So, tatama siya sa Valentine. So, linggo ng mga puso, tingnan natin anong magiging ganap. So, gagawin ko with this oracle deck, I will pull a card na yun yung magiging overall energy ng reading. Tapos itong tarot, which is a new deck. So, excited ako na gamitin siya for you. And ito yung magbibigay ng detalye. And this oracle deck would show the advice from the universe. So, without further ado, let's start. Na-pre-shuffle ko na to. Pero shuffle ko lang ulit. And habang sinashuffle ko, supportahan nyo naman po yung aking channel. Please like this video. Comment kayo sa baba for kung nag-resonate siya. And subscribe na po kayo sa channel na to para mag-grow siya at magagawa pa ako ng mas maraming collective reading para sa inyo. Alright, and share nyo na rin sa mga kakilala ng Capricorn who might need some guidance. Okay, so, and just a reminder pala, if sana mag-resonate, and if not, huwag nyo pilitin, it means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. Okay? And abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod pang collective reading. And kung gusto nyo ng personal reading, nasa baba yung email address ko. So, message me lang to inquire. So, second card since February. Focus on your blessings. Okay. I think medyo straightforward naman siya. So, adjust your taste to what you deserve. Okay? Pero basahin na lang din natin for everyone. So, ano bang sinasabi ng card na focus on your blessings? So, a thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. A complaining soul complains even in paradise. That's a quote from Baha'u'llah. And the reflection is, wake up and open your eyes to the generosities that are your right. Know that you have total capability to deal with every adventure or misadventure that comes along the way. Your contentment in life is achieved when you can turn routine works into joyful plays and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. If you cannot alter the things that you don't like, it is better to adjust your notion about what you deserve. This oracle guides you to recognize that the road to thankfulness, nabulol pa, lies in the flow of your soul. The more you focus on your blessings, the more likely you are to find yourself on the receiving end of the generosity and benevolence of the universe. Sit quietly in peaceful surroundings and wisely assess your conception of what you ought to have. You will get more happiness from an hour of contemplation than you can get from a long period of laboring to increase your possessions or improve your environment. Okay, so your mantra is, I am thankful for all the gifts I have received and do not complain about what I don't have. Okay, so very straightforward nga yung message na to, na focus on your blessings. Diba? Kaysa sa mga hindi mo natatanggap. Yeah, and be grateful always. Practice gratitude. It will help. Lalo na when it comes to love, diba? Pag dumating tong love na to, be thankful. Hindi yung minanifest mo siya, dumating, tapos ang dami mong reklamo, di ba? Babawiin niya ni universe agad sa iyo. Sige ka. Anyway, if you're currently looking, di ba, just be blessed then that you have time to really focus more on yourself and love yourself more, di ba? Para ready ka kapag dumating yung love sa buhay mo. But let's see what the tarot will show sa detalye ng reading ito. So, na-pre-shuffle ko rin siya and balasan ko na lang ulit. Okay. So, second card, Seven of Cups, Page of Pentacles, the Star, make a wish, lumabas ang Star, Queen of Cups and Queen of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Moon, and Two of Wands. Okay. So, nag-start siya sa Seven of Cups, nag-end sa Two of Wands, and there's a very strong Aquarius energy. Okay, and Pisces energy. So, pwedeng yung person mo ay Pisces or Aquarius, but they don't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay, so Seven of Cups is a card of indecision. Kaya parang wishful thinking na parang puro sana, ganyan. And, ayun nga, I guess, nagpo-point agad to dito sa pag-focus on your blessings. Parang this is what you have when it comes to love. Diba? Nandito na yung person na nagmamahal sa'yo or taong mahal mo. Pero parang lagi kang may pinapantasya na sana ganito, sana ganyan. Diba? So, and si Page of Pentacles, okay? So, it's about being consistent din. This is yung alam mo yun, minsan parang, okay, nakikita mo sa sarili, thankful naman ako, pero you have to be consistent. Hindi yung parang thankful ka lang sa mga bagay na pabor sa'yo. Pero pag hindi pabor sa'yo, alam mo yun, parang see it still as a blessing. Kasi may mga bagay na kahit hindi mo siya gusto, ginagawa yung universe para sa'yo para matuto ka. So it's a lesson for you to be a better person, to be better when it comes to relationship, when it comes to love. And lumabas naman si Star card. So it's a card of faith and hope that everything will be alright. Yun nga, you're hoping for something, diba? I mean, ito yung meron ka, but you're still hoping for something better. Lahat naman tayo, diba? We always hope for something better. Diba? For ourselves. And, ito naman, lumabas si Queen of Cups, which is a card of, for me, just be kind. It's a card of kindness and also self-love. Diba? Parang sinabi ko kanina, if you're a single person, take it as a blessing pa rin, so that you can focus on yourself and love yourself more. And if you're in a relationship, at least, diba, parang focus on the good things in the relationship. And dito, si Queen of Swords, diba? So, si Queen of Swords is being fair and honest, diba? And being open-minded din sa mga bagay-bagay. Kaya nga, diba, pag naging open yung mind mo sa mga bagay-bagay, makikita mo talaga yung blessings na meron ka na dito sa connection mo with this person or sa love na meron ka, diba? Lalo na this week, baka mamaya mag-expect ka ng kung ano-ano sa Valentine's Day, diba? Tapos, ito lang yung kaya, afford, or ito lang yung pwedeng i-provide sa'yo ng partner mo, but you're expecting too much. For me, whatever your person does for you, just be happy, just be grateful, dahil hindi lahat ng tao nakaka-experience niyan. Diba? Diba? Marami dyan, let's go, diba? Parang ang tagal na naghahanap ng love life, pero wala pa rin. Tapos ikaw meron ka, pero ang dami pa rin expectations. Diba? I mean, it's good to expect something, lalo na expect for the better, or hope for the better. Pero yung too much na, parang masyado ng, diba, na kahit hindi na talaga kaya, you're still expecting it to happen. Diba? Kaya, yun nga, once na nagfo-focus ka sa meron ka na as a blessing, diba, maging grateful ka. And, ayun, yung mga darating na lang, diba, mas magiging grateful ka pa, hindi yung puro reklamo. Babawian talaga ni universe, kakareklamo mo. Anyway, sana hindi, diba? So, kaya nga, be grateful. So, the moon, lumba siya, because it's a card of insecurity din. So, I guess, kaya ang reason naman kung bakit may mga ganun din, kaya hindi ka nakaka-focus sa whatever you have is because you still have these insecurities na kailangan mong baguhin. Okay? And the Two of Wands is a card of decision. Okay? And taking risk and more of the decision, you really have to decide and to look on the positive side of everything. Yung really focus on the blessings, hindi yung sa lack of things. Kung when it comes to love life, lalo na this week nga, linggo ng mga puso, diba? Kung ano yung mga parang tingin mo kulang or yung mga wishful thinking mo ay mga sana ganito, sana ganyan, sana mangyari to, tapos ito yung nangyari, hindi siya yung parang gusto mo, di ba? Pero something good pa rin. Be happy, be grateful, and be thankful kasi lalo na kapag nag-effort naman yung tao, di ba? Kahit hindi yun expect mo. Tignan mo yung time, effort, and how, yung love language ng person na yun. Di ba? Baka hindi lang nag-align yung love language nyo, pero because of yung love language niya naman is pinakita niya kung love language mo ay words, tas love language ng gifts, di ba? Mas binigyan ka niya ng regalo, na-expect mo, magsasabi siya ng mga sweet words, mga, di ba, nakakakilig ng mga salita, pero, di ba, pero hindi yun yung ginawa niya. So, parang, ay, sana ganito, sana ganyan. Pero nagbigay siya ng regalo sa'yo, di ba? So, yun yung love language niya. So, i-appreciate mo na lang, di ba? And be happy, be thankful because that's a blessing. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano ba yung advice ni Universe para sa mga Capricorn dyan. Okay. So, second card, joy. O, diba? Parang sinasabi nga dun din sa when you focus on the blessings, you'll find joy. Especially when it comes to love. Okay? So, very straightforward din talaga yung message and ng universe sa'yo na magiging masaya ka, diba? Kapag nag-focus ka sa mga bagay na, diba, pinigay sa'yo ni universe kaysa dun sa hindi, diba? And continue asking the universe, continue asking God, continue believing and manifesting, and yan, habang hindi pa siya dumarating, be grateful for what you have, and pag dumating na yung minimanifest mo, diba, be more thankful. And sabi nga, kung very grateful ka, yung malilit na bagay, nagpapasalamat ka na, mas ibibigay pa ni universe sa'yo yung mga better doon sa currently what you have. Okay? And lalo na sa love, diba? So, ayun, sana nag-resonate. Again, if hindi nag-resonate, just leave it. Abangan nyo na rin mga susunod ko pang collective reading. Muli ako po si Mystico Moreno. Maraming salamat at kita-kits muli. Ingat!